Rice Street, St. Paul, Twin Cities, Minnesota. Dug it up completely. It's gonna be a brand new street, as you can see. You can see this huge water thing. That's a brand new wreck check. That cost the city of St. Paul $30 million. But there's also, my kiddo is over there, you can't see him. He just got off school. He's walking with his friends. They have a football field over there. It's gonna be a brand new street. It used to have 4 lanes. Now it's gonna be only two lanes, one going north and one going south. That truck is going south. So there'll be 1 lane there and 1 lane going up. That's Rice Street. Library, laundromat, that's new. You can see all rusted pipes over there. They dug them out. They have these huge machines. That's not very big, but they have this other big one over here. You can see this is huge. It's pretty big. They also have that one. It's busy. People crossing, running. Have another cat over there. It's big. A lot of work being done over here. A lot. You can see all these pipes. Those will go underground for drainage. Very dusty. If you live in North End, follow my channel. You can see progress for Rice Street. I'll be recording videos every week to see the progress. Peace out.